While it is true that anyone who is added to WhatsApp groups can simply leave or leave the group, sometimes it is uncomfortable to leave the group or that during the few minutes in which you have been part of it, many strangers have had access to your phone number. Steps to avoid being added to group without consent. Check that the app is up to date. Enter the WhatsApp application. Access the app menu by clicking on the three dots in the top corner. Press Setting Options. Press and enter the icon option. Access the privacy option. Click where the word groups appears. Select one of the three available options, All, My Contacts, or My Contacts Except. If you select the All option, anyone who has your phone number added to their address book will be able to add you to a WhatsApp group. If you select the option My Contacts, only the people you have registered in your cell phone will be able to do it. And finally, if you choose the option My Contacts Except, you can indicate who cannot add you to group chats in the app without your approval. By clicking on the last option and selecting All Contacts, no one will be able to add you to a WhatsApp group. That is, people will be able to send you an invitation by private message and you will have 3 days to accept it. If you don't, the invitation will be automatically deleted. By clicking on the invitation, you will be able to see who is in the group and decide whether you want to participate in it.